Who was the worst YouTuber you've worked with?
The male G-spot is located in the anus. Would you? Oh. Similar, not same.
Mine is more than yours.
Hold on. Let's
Mine
fix
is
it.
the most.
No, mine is more than yours. You're going to pour more in mine?
Okay.
You evil, wicked woman.
Oh.
Oops.
Wait,
Alright, ready?
kampai?
Kampai.
Come by.
Say me that just one do me doing the video until me practice
But
my
you
roles.
can't use that,
I'm
babe.
just practicing
Oh.
my roles.
Oh, you're practicing your role, so just look into that little square thing. And
What
then
square?
right
First
there.
of all, I can't see it, so I just look by face.
And
Look my face up by the
That's going
side.
by face. By face, not by size.
This guy is not a very trash video.
No, it's not.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. We have the wonderful Jamaican ladies here. They'll introduce themselves. Go ahead.
Take two.
Awkward. I don't think we're gonna get through this, guys.
Take two.
I'm not gonna get through this. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Because the Gaijin here, and I'm with two friends, wonderful Jamaican women. So they will introduce themselves right now. Please go ahead. The one to my immediate left.
Hi, I'm Chrisana.
And I'm Doreen, but you can call me Doreen. Hi, peeps of the internet and beyond. I'm Doreen, but you can call me Rain.
Rain, okay? We're gonna work with Rain. So we have Rain, Christian, and guys, look out for the new brand coming soon, HGTV Tokyo. Alright, Chris and Dor. You know, the story of two Jamaican ladies.
Oh.
You know what? I'm not gonna get into it. So basically, you know the thing, shots and thoughts. So I'll ask a question, they'll reply. If they choose not to reply, then you guys would have to take a
Shot.
shot.
I
Not a-
already have mixed liquor here.
no, no. They're taking a shot out of the shot glass of pure vodka.
I'll fear of saying myself.
Vodka, Smirnoff. Sponsored, no sponsored yet, but yeah.
It's not sponsored, it's the big
Yes.
price
Put
tag
it
on
on
it.
show makeup. It's makeup. Yes. This is my. Yeah. Alright, so do you guys want to ask me a question first, or you want me to ask you?
You can start first. It's your channel.
My channel.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. So, an easy question so people can get to know you.
Alright.
So, what brought you this for both of you?
Okay.
I don't
What-
like this question.
What brought you guys to Japan?
Exactly, I do not like this question.
Okay.
They rinsed it, repeat,
Exactly.
and rinsed it since I've gotten to Japan.
So I'm right. So
I'm a trained teacher in Jamaica, and the pay was trash, and the workload was hefty.
Okay.
That's it.
So, like her, I'm also a trained teacher in Jamaica, and I agree, it was trash, and I just couldn't bother no more.
pretty much.
I'm tired of the struggle.
Struggle is real.
The struggle, them said the 6 real, but the struggle real are.
Real.
So, we just, I left,
And
and we're here. Alright. What's the best thing you've done here in Japan?
The best thing I have done in Japan. Wow. Should I be? Do I want to be corny? Thanks. Yeah, Japan. The best thing I think I've done in Japan, I think it's actually starting my YouTube channel because of the YouTube channel I've been interacting with a lot of Jamaicans that I probably would not have interacted with if I was to just not doing the channel itself. Other black persons as well have said to me, hey, keep doing what you're doing, I love your channel, it has given me inspiration to come over or stuff like that. So I mean, I think the most impactful thing I've done, and I guess that would be the best thing, in my opinion, like on a more macro level, but on a micro level,
I know what that is.
Oh, wait, I don't know. I don't know. What's that?
I took it out of the wrapper.
What do you mean?
He took it for a test drive.
It's no longer in plastic. It was brand new. It's not brand new.
Like a car?
Yeah, like a car, pretty much.
Like a car.
Like a car, like a virgin.
Oh, like, oh. Okay, now I get it. I get it now. Alright, cool.
My question,
Okay.
right? You have a lot of friends.
What is it? Oh.
I feel like we're taking a shot.
You have a lot of friends, right?
Yeah. Or people that I think are my friends.
Yes, that you think are your friends.
Right.
Give me a percentage of how many of those friends you think are genuinely your friends.
Yikes, no, this is difficult, right? So, the thing about friendships, I guess, for people now is that you may feel that you may overestimate your importance in someone's life, and sometimes you get a rude awakening in like in very small details.
Small details like
right?
on your birthday and such.
Like on wow.
Take a shot for the shot.
Notwithstanding things that things they would say and certain of the things that happen and stuff. So I mean, if it happens one time, it's not really an indicator. But if it happens repeatedly, then there is an issue. But I hope the person I consider my friends, they think I'm a friend as well. So maybe genuine. Is that my stomach? But my stomach is not friend. I would say, to be honest, I don't want to lie. I'm not going to lie. I don't know really, but I would say I don't think it's more than genuine friends. Like I could count on 30%
Of the 100.
out of maybe 100.
Oh.
30 out of 100,
You guys suck.
I think.
You need to be better friends to him.
I went up there, I know that.
Yeah, you guys said it, of course.
I don't know what the real one.
I said you guys. I
I was talking for myself.
Throwing me under the bus like that?
I was talking for myself.
Damn, you know.
Alright, so what has been the weirdest thing a man has said to you?
Okay.
I'm being honest. Said to you
So what had
in trying to, solicit your
vagina?
My vagina. It's probably not the weirdest, but one thing I really actually hate, and it's
makes you
like
cringe.
almost like a pet peeve of mine, is one. I know that we're black, and I know that we're a minority here, but being called exotic all the time, I don't like it. One, but going as far as saying exotic, like I'm some kind of
Plant or animal.
like,
Endangered species.
right? But apart from that, I've gotten sorry, they've no, well, I've gotten sorry, can we have sex? No, sorry, not can. They don't know. Let's have sex.
Because that compliment opened everything for them.
Sexual
Sexual
Sexual shiba show.
No. When was your last relationship, and why haven't you pursued anything serious since then?
Are you taking a shot for that easy question?
No, let's play with the bottle.
Oh, okay. I thought you were taking a shot.
Teasing.
Oh, okay.
Last relationship.
Just say when.
My last relationship ended last year, November.
It's like leave us all a year.
Almost a year. Yeah.
Whoa.
Since then, I've just not had the luck of finding someone that is really single.
Also, you have them. Oh, so there are different degrees of single.
Like,
Singlish.
there's singlish and then there's I'm single but, or I'm not single but I kind of want to, look at. I just have no luck. I really have bad timing, I think.
So that brings me to my question now, because I want to know. I've gotten some really strange requests from people. What's the strangest sexual request you've gotten from anyone? Since you've been here, since you've been here.
I mean, remember, guys, just kind of got out.
So nobody has asked you anything
Nothing
strange?
strange? No, I don't think.
Nothing that you think is like.
It wasn't strange for me, but. Is it strange? I don't think it's strange, but it was the first time it happened to me, and I was really like, okay, this is interesting. So, the last relationship.
I this is.
She, while she was doing, performing for the show,
Just give the tea a little bit of a dunk to help it mix even better.
Oh.
she,
I don't know what that
and I was like, well, this is something new, and I'm not totally against it. This is, this is what I was missing out on in your life. Y'all out here being techy and stuff.
Who does? Wait, when you say y'all, please.
I mean, like, technically.
Like,
Early Grey?
peppermint. Okay, alright.
Yes.
If you were to date a Japanese man, what would be your ideal type?
I hate Chrisanne. Just putting it down there, I hate Chrisanne. But so, if I was to date
Let me tell you, this is
Japanese guy,
new girl, new me.
right? I definitely go for someone who, one, I always joke about being loaded, but no, stop. No, but as it relates to dating, I definitely go for someone who's like, I know it's reaching to ask someone who's taller than you here, right? Don't look up and don't even.
Sorry, I'm stuck at loaded. You mean
Well,
that
I'll go.
Wow, we're talking about money.
Oh, that's
I
what
was
I'm talking
talking
about.
about. Really?
Oh, sorry. I just wanted to be sure.
Front loading or
Clarity
Oh,
is important.
Sorry,
just
ma'am.
on the internet?
So yeah, I would definitely go for someone who is. I don't, like I said, I don't know if it's reaching, but someone who's taller than me. We have to share some common interests somewhere along the lines, and yeah, I like someone who's funny. And I'm into older guys, so
Older guys.
yes,
Older guys.
older guys. So yeah, but and we'll of course Kristen she's stuck on loaded, so we'll add that. Loaded.
No, I moved on since I took up with
Like a loaded fries?
like a loaded. I don't know what
Loaded potato?
Like I'm gonna tell she said loaded, right? And then when she said loaded, two things happened tonight.
What two? What two? Where you're
She said
crazy?
upper
Because I said
bottom.
top or bottom.
Ah, is it too much to ask for both? Is that like reaching to ask
Yes.
for both?
In this country, But her ideal guy would be a Korean man.
My ideal guy. So all the Koreans watching this channel, if you're into
Hi, what's your worst sexual experience?
Ever?
Yeah, since you asked, ever.
Should I call him?
No, I mean...
no, you crazy?
We're messy on this channel, but we're not that messy. I don't want nobody come and go strike the video.
Exactly.
Again, mommy, I'm sorry. I know you watch this channel.
We'll
But
get a
like,
phone call.
right?
Right?
But like, I was,
What ish?
I was dating this guy.
Can I interject? I was there.
You weren't there. You were just around for.
Alright, I was in the house.
No, I don't.
Wait, that there was a worst one before that?
It's just like I get friends.
Right? Why are you here? This is horrible. That's
Kissing?
horrible.
Kissing?
The sound. That
Oh.
sound's actually there.
While kissing.
It was horrible.
I thought this, that means it's very fluffy.
It was loud and it was unnecessary.
Oh, you didn't like it? You
Like-
didn't turn it on?
Even if he moved to here, that was the same sound that came.
Oh no, yeah, that kind of,
Anywhere
yeah.
where it was the
That's,
same, was a
It's
sound.
sound.
see, since we're that big,
Question, have you ever been caught masturbating?
In your lifetime, like your mother working for your daddy, your brother, whether at school, at work. Have a drink here, have a drink.
I know
We're winning! It was a competition.
I mean, mean, you can still answer no if you want to.
No, it's fine.
Okay.
Let's go.
Here. Going there. All right.
No.
Big
Yes.
yes. Stand up.
We went there. We went there.
Okay. So, Chris,
Mhm.
I know it feels like me and Pickles picking on. I'm sorry, I call him Pickles.
Yep, yeah, that's.
She called it pickles.
I can't. That's it. That's the
Just
one
put a
I'm
pickle
trying.
there when you say that.
Sorry. I know it feel like we're picking on you, but we're not. I know you.
Well, let's not do this.
All right,
Yeah.
bottle cap challenge. We're like about 10 months late, but
Chris, question. I know we're not going too far, but you're living in Asia,
In Asia.
right? And I've heard that Asian.
Through the grapevine?
Yes.
Okay.
That Asian cuisine is one of the best in the world. Have you ever
no, I think she keeps open.
tried?
Like ramen, I've had
No.
ramen is really good.
Sorry, let me be
You look more open because I know where she's going.
specific.
You're gonna be
Yes. I'm not talking about,
Okay.
The
Yeah,
roll.
alright.
but there are lots of like Japanese, Chinese, Korean, you know, and other Asian countries here. Have you ever tried Asian cuisine? Have you ever done anything with an Asian guy?
I went to something.
No.
No, don't be foolish. Don't be foolish. She said cuisine, which indicates something a bit more intimate.
Have you ever had sex with an Asian guy?
No, I haven't.
So you're telling me?
No, I haven't.
That you have sushi, you tried sushi?
No, I haven't.
Wow. I'm impressed. I'm impressed by your restraint. Guess she clearly don't have nothing but her.
I'm not no butter.
Her oil is well clean. Drain out.
How long have you been here?
But she had she was in the thing with the
Rain.
that did.
You don't even have on the glasses. Why are you doing this?
It's a habit like let me touch my invisible
Let me do
glasses.
it.
Sweetie.
It's serious. Chef, I'm done here right now.
Are you into BDSM? And if so, how far have you or are you willing to go?
Is water this?
Water. Wow. Well, I was trying to be nice with you guys, just taking off all the gloves here.
So I can take on my guns now.
I want to take time.
Andre.
When you coming in twice, are you trying to tell me to get a shot prepared?
Maybe.
You can't just say no to this. You have to say no and why.
Okay.
If you're going to say no.
Okay. Wait, you tell me how that was.
Yes.
Whoa. Wow, this is
I
serious.
don't think that's fair though. But
You know, it's for the men out there. The male G spot is located in the anus. Would you
Why are we here? Alright, go ahead.
would you allow a lady, female,
Something in my book.
to stick a finger in a dildo in a vibrator in?
Wait a minute.
To you know, her tongue around just the outside. Why? And why not? Yeah, it's not. You can't just say no. You have to say no and not
I
why.
could just say no, but because I'm going to entertain you. No, because
Is it gay?
no, because
Oh,
gay.
okay.
But I don't think. In my mind, I just can't picture myself enjoying someone putting their hand in and then reaching and then or doing that. That doesn't get. I don't think. I don't know.
So I have a question.
The doctor has to do it for
Yeah,
the
it's your one
prostate
question.
exam. That's one question. You have to wait and
No, I was going to ask a question in general.
for
Oh,
everyone.
for everyone to take a
Yeah.
shot.
Yeah.
I don't know.
No,
this
for
is-
everyone to take a shot. I just want a question
Okay.
in general.
Uh-huh.
Like, do you think it's unfair for men G-spot to be there though? Like,
So you want to be on the tip of his penis?
Though, yeah, he doesn't get to, get that feeling.
So you want it on the tip of his penis?
I don't know, but
Do
it
you
just
hear men complaining?
No,
Are you
But they don't
complaining?
know what it feels like.
Yeah, but are you complaining?
No, they're not
I
complaining.
have an orgasm regardless. I don't understand. I mean, what? I don't know. I mean,
You don't hear. I mean, granted, there are men who would venture
Yeah.
into doing
some men
stuff like
in
that.
Jamaica actually engage in pegging.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
Like,
with-
it's a serious thing.
I know.
it is.
And
But-
and we have a lot of them who like
Into other things.
who like
But yeah.
you know lick
Yes.
and get the lick.
Yeah, body wash or stuff like that.
Yeah.
Rimming.
I'm sorry, guys.
Sorry, wow.
I went there. Anyways, next question.
I know. Have you ever done anything or gone on a date, done anything sexual with someone, not gone on a date, but done anything sexual with someone who you weren't attracted to? What was that for?
I don't want to do this.
I'll do this one for you.
I don't want to
Here you are. Dozo.
With that one question,
probably would.
Here you go. There you go.
Oh my word!
Come pie.
Oh Jesus! What a question! Why these easy ones the ones that I don't want? Let me
but
tell you.
that was an easy one though.
It's easy because but you see they're
I know.
Yeah,
repercussions.
viewers. You
I know.
Jesus. Let me even come. Sorry, that's I'm editing that one. That's not in the video. That's the one I'm getting myself in any more trouble.
I know, I understand.
Next thing I'm gonna get 3 messages tomorrow.
Embarrassing question, man.
Oh, Doreen!
Oh,
Yes, my artist. I take off gloves now and I'm really coming on about 3 shots.
How many have we done? Like
1?
one.
No, I know. So I've gone 4. Everybody else has gone on 2. And I
One.
on 1 because of the initial shot. She said, oh, she doesn't drink alcohol. This is water, mommy. Water.
And yeah.
It's spirit. Spirit.
Right.
So Doreen,
Yes, Andre.
have you ever had sex in your parents' house?
Oh no, I haven't.
Okay.
That is a true truth and a lie. Because have you ever
Never have I ever.
cheated on a boyfriend?
I don't cheat. Women don't cheat. Black women don't cheat. So let me think about this.
I don't know. Wait. What's cheating?
Hey, what's
That's a
what's
very good
cheating?
question.
Like, what's cheating?
Alright, so any form of intimate
What's intimate?
from kissing.
The thing about what is that like?
She don't want to answer it. I think she just take a
I'm
shot.
cheating on, but it's not a very hard question to answer. Still.
I know, but you also want to maintain your integrity, you know?
How have I cheated on a boyfriend? I cheated on a
Jesus have mercy.
Why is she looking at me while asking?
Next question.
So you answered it, so she said yes.
I have once.
Damn. No, what are you not drinking? What is going on? Why I can't get no drink?
Because we're winning.
We're winning.
It's a competition. We're winning.
This was a trap from the set, you know. Guys, I'm telling you something. Them say, Trado, you want me and Derek come at the same time on the video? Yeah, man,
No,
sure.
actually, no, that wasn't it.
That was
We
What's the pitch
actually-
again?
No.
What's the pitch? What's
You
the
said
pitch?
to no. You said
You
to
want
me.
to if you want to.
You said to me that okay, I can do the video. I'm gonna do the video. And then I said, oh, don't she want to do one of those videos too?
Right.
And then Andre Saint Patrick,
They can put my foot on
Saint
it.
Patrick
They would have my foot on it.
Pickles the guy Jin
Mhm.
said,
Mm.
why don't you guys? Why don't both you guys do it together? And we're like,
Why
okay. And
But
here
you were
we are.
the one who suggested it. So.
Really?
Bubble and on the video. So
What's it back side?
Alright. Who was the worst YouTuber you've worked with? Is that a drink?
No, that's the count.
The
Worst YouTuber in terms of like.
Like, who was the worst person that you had to work with to make a video?
You know, this girl really just knows me. Like, I don't know why. Hold on, let me see. How much subscribers are you losing? Say this name.
Oh, you willing to lose subscribers for
do I
that?
know the person?
No.
Who's the person?
No. I don't do it. No, it's not Abs Christian.
Not
Abs.
Big up yourself, Abs.
No.
Okay. Campaign.
Come back.
Yeah.
This show was not about me getting drunk. It was about to get people to open up and relax.
Here you are.
And
you are.
here we are, opening up and relaxing.
Bye.
Shoot.
I mean,
Right, hold on, was it alright? To make it the worst. Worst meaning the worst in terms of the views on the video?
No,
or the
no,
worst
the
person,
worst person.
as in they're always like doing shit.
Who's the worst person that you had to work with?
I have a drink because it must be me. I'm the worst person to collab with.
no.
Drink. What are you drinking?
We having dinner after this?
We're gonna cook after this. That's what we're gonna do.
Oh, I'm so dead. I'm so dead. Alright. Without further ado, come back. Oh my god.
It's my question, right?
Oh shoot. I forgot that part. It's a two-pronged attack.
It's my question, right? I know that you haven't really been
Oh dear.
right?
Yes,
But
feel it now.
but is it okay? Is it fair for me to ask you?
Ask. Andre, just pour yourself another drink.
I'm not pouring no. Piece of my hands in. The fear, I've had enough. I'm about to risk it all.
Alright. It's really hot in here. Who was the worst?
They're too. I had sex to two people.
Exactly. So you gotta pick or take a shot. Oh my god.
Doreen has.
What
Doreen
did I
and
do?
Kristen have totally flummoxed my brain. I think the video didn't know. After this, is actually what we're doing after this. I need to record another video by myself because this is trash, man. I cannot believe my friends have just sent me to die. But I think this very luxurious rug is here, just in case.
They're
Just in
really
case.
nice.
I give you my bed.
Yeah.
Just in
I'll
case.
give you my bed.
I am doing it.
I have two guns too. It's your time to ask this.
Worst sexual experiences in?
Who?
Sex or
Yeah.
kissing or
No.
Worst sex.
blowjob?
Who was the worst sex?
Sorry, wasn't it?
Who was the worst sex?
How can I tell what's worse than I don't understand?
Yeah.
I wouldn't know.
Yeah.
You have it
Yes,
one time.
No.
I have it once.
No.
And
You
then
had-
the
you
once
had-
doesn't count because
No,
you just
no,
break
no.
down the seal.
No,
And then the second time is like, okay.
You have
then it's-
enough experience to compare both.
Oh, you must be kidding me. You must be
Once
joking.
it's out the sea, you have enough experience to compare
Pause.
both.
You eat, hold on. It's not like food. You eat one cheese patty, eat a chicken patty. I can tell.
Andre, yes.
I don't know, but you can tell which one
You
you
can
prefer.
tell which
Chicken
one you
or the
prefer or the
cheese.
cheese.
What doesn't mean one is worse than the other one?
Andre.
Well,
There's
in
a
your
preference.
eyes.
All right.
There's preference opposed to
Well,
worse.
answer the question. What do you think? Who is worse? Who was worse?
Here's
Okay.
the thing. I'm gonna whisper that when you cry.
Let me ask one next question.
Well, no, I'm gonna drink again.
Okay.
That's not gonna answer. But this way you cut out the video. I'm gonna cut it. Andre, remember to cut this off.
Bottoms up. Holding at shoes. Andre, it's your turn. Question.
For who? Oh,
Where's my
It's
brain?
the last round. Chris, let me ask you first.
Type it on your phone. Type
Oh.
it. So I can read it.
Oh, because my
No,
exactly.
yeah, whisper don't. It's not a
It's
whisper.
not a whisper.
is that a question? Should I? I'm asking you because I need something to drink.
Alright, here.
Are you sure I'm going to have to drink for this one? Stop!
So my question to you is, your last boyfriend Were you satisfied with his penis? Oh. Oh.
Yes, I was.
She had to
Wait, I cut.
I'm not cutting that. I'm leaving all this in. Because I know. Look at
What do you
Chris's
mean?
face. Look at Chris's face. Just look at Chris's face.
No. Fun and joke aside,
Mhm.
my last boyfriend, yes, I was satisfied. Okay with him. You know yourself. And you just
Like, I'm just laughing at your expressions of what you're saying.
Catching your edges.
Stop.
Edges are
you
snatched.
know yourself. And I appreciate you and what you did. Big up yourself.
You don't want a bigger endorsement than that.
I feel
I think that's the video, guys. Please follow them on their social media if they want you to follow them. Right. So please follow these guys on their social media. It'll be in the description down below. You see they're fun and lovable and they're down to earth. Alright? So
Yes.
that's another episode of Shots and Thoughts. So peace out.
See what he said.
See. Bye. We're done.
Bye.
Yes. Bye. Shut up. Fatty. Oh.
Did you press record?
No, that's stupid. Yes, I did.